What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at this 33-shot 500-gram cake by Sky Bacon Fireworks called I Love It Loud. Obviously, we got the pig kisses here on the front. 33 shots. See if we can find a performance on here. It's a decent-sized cake, so hopefully it'll be pretty awesome when we shoot it. There's the performance. There we go. So we have straight up multi-shot 500-gram, 28-second, levels low and medium, volume is medium, performance. Hopefully that's in frame. So we have this cake shows you everything it's got with blue tail to blue stars with white strobe, green crackling tail to lemon and white strobe will drive you wild, and red tail to red palm with chrysanthemum will drive you crazy. Okay, so got 3 different kinds of effects throughout the cake. Let's take a look at the tubes on the inside. So there's the cake layout. Looks like we're going to be starting down here with these 6, I'd say those 3/4 inch tubes. And then we have inch tubes. So we got 6 of the 3/4. Then we got 5 of the inch, 6 of the 3/4, 5 of the inch. And then we got 6 3/4 and 5 again. I'm interested to know if it's going to be a 5-shot finale. But yeah, it's all straight up. So I think it's time we take a look at the demo. I like that graphic, by the way. So Pyros, let's see what this 33-shot 500-gram cake by Sky Bacon Fireworks I Love It Loud looks like. For now, Pyros, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next demo video.